Your child gains enormous benefit from sharing maths with you at home, just as they do with reading. But you can easily feel overwhelmed trying to work out where to start or what to do to make it manageable. To make it easier, that's just what Number Chase was designed for. And also, very importantly, if you're going to do it at home, it needs to be fun. Every maths topic your child's learning at school, that will be explored in a challenging but fun way. Lots of dice games, board games, card games, outdoor activities, cooking, making, painting, and lots more, helping you share some magic maths moments together. Uniquely, you also get expert advice so that you don't have that worry, I don't know how maths is taught at school. Now you can try our brand new short online course. Learn how to make this summer a special opportunity for your child to be curious, have lots of maths fun, and connect maths at school to maths in real life in a very special way that only maths at home can do. That's so valuable for your child's learning. It might seem daunting, but start by playing a short game. There'll be great maths learning, no answers marked with a cross, and you get to see their confidence grow. Amazing.